Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to mirror your MacBook to your TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to mirror your MacBook to your TV, all you need to do first is simply ensure that both your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. So if both the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can simply tap on the Apple icon on the top left hand side of the corner and go to System Settings. Once you are here, you can find an option called Control Center. Simply tap on it and you can find the option Screen Mirroring. So once you are here, you can simply get the option of your screen mirroring to the particular TV once both the TV and the MacBook are in the same Wi-Fi and your TV supports AirPlay. AirPlay is a similar technology like mirroring, and this will allow the MacBook to be mirrored on your TV. So you should also make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on both your MacBook as well as your TV. So as your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled and you have enabled AirPlay as well, you will be able to mirror your MacBook to your TV. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.